everyone, and welcome back to Akshatas Recipes. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Today's recipe is a Goan traditional recipe, which is a tea time snack, and it's called banana fritters, banana pancake, and in Konkani we call it Filos. Now, bananas, I think, is a staple fruit in almost every Goan home, and it's a common man's fruit, but it's so healthy and so good to eat. Now, some people are even blessed that they have their own banana trees growing in their backyard. So sometimes what happens is the banana gets a little bit overripe and you feel really bad, throwing something out. So this is actually made from overripe bananas. It's very simple to make with very few ingredients, but the end result is so delicious. This takes me back to my childhood. It used to be a evening snack with a cup of tea. My mom used to make it, and it used to be nice and thin and crispy. The borders were nice and crispy, and it just has a different taste. It's also healthy too, because it's made with a little bit of milk and bananas and other few ingredients, which you'll see as we go along. So I hope you like this recipe, and if you do, then don't forget to give this recipe a big thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button that you see below this video if you haven't subscribed already. And once you have subscribed, click the little golden bell, so whenever I put up a new video on my channel, you will get a message for the same. So guys, let's go and make this very traditional Goan evening time snack called Filos or banana fritters. Now friends, we'll take about 2 of the overripe bananas, and we are going to mash them up with a fork till they become a nice smooth consistency. It's very easy to mash it up because the bananas are nice and soft. See that there are no lumps left. Now once our bananas have got nicely mashed up like this, they come to a consistency like this, we are now going to add our other ingredients. First, we're going to add some icing sugar. So I'm adding about 1 tablespoon. If you want, you can add more or you can add less. Now mix this icing sugar well into the banana. Now we are going to use a little bit of vanilla essence, about half a teaspoon. Next, we're going to add a pinch of baking powder. This gives the Filos or the banana fritters a very nice, fluffy, crispy texture, and it rises up a little too. Again, we're going to mix everything well. Now we're going to crack open an egg and add the egg to the mixture, and using a whisk, we are going to whisk it in well. Now you can either use whole wheat flour or you can use all-purpose flour or maida. Here I am using whole wheat flour, about a cup of it. You can even use the all-purpose flour or maida.
Again, we're going to mix all of this very nicely. Everything has to get well incorporated. And then the last ingredient we have to add is some milk. The milk helps in giving this a nice smooth consistency, like a pancake batter. Our batter should not be too runny or it should not be too thick. It should be just right, like a normal pancake batter. And once our batter is ready, we're going to rest the batter for about 10 minutes. This is also very important because then everything gets well incorporated together. So we let the batter sit aside for a while. Now after 10 minutes, we will heat a pan on the gas top. I like using a non-stick pan. Now I'm going to just spread a little bit of ghee or clarified butter on my hot pan. You can also use regular butter. And we're going to take a small bit of the batter and just spread it out in the middle with a ladle. Then we're going to let it fry well, and once the borders or the edges of the pancake turn to a nice crispy golden brown, we can just flip the pancake to the other side. So once our pancake edges are golden brown, we are going to just turn it over and then fry the other side till it is nice and crispy and golden brown too. Now these pancakes are a real tasty delight. You can have it for breakfast too or for tea time in the evening. It really is very delicious. Well friends, I hope you liked this recipe. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button that you see just below the video. Once you have hit the red subscribe button, please do click the golden bell icon that you will see. So every time I upload a new video, you will get a message or a notification of the same. Do visit my channel, and I have more than 200 recipes. So please visit Akshatas Recipes, and I've created playlists so you can find what you're looking for. And thank you so much for stopping by at Akshatas Recipes. Stay tuned and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys and take care.